So in few words, it's a biotech company. So we developed a new drug to treat the patient in oncology that are not responding to conventional immunotherapy. So in cancer right now, there is big revolution coming from the immunotherapy. That means you use the immune system to cure patient, to kill the tumor cells. And in fact, it's only working for 30% of the patient. And we believe we have a solution to get the 70% of the patient that do not respond right now to have a therapeutic solution. The biocatalyzer is a really good challenge because it's helping to to build our the story and to really focus on what could be sold to the investor. And so this is really good to have a kind of deadline where you need to do this work. And also it was really good to see the diversity of the project, of all the different projects, and how we can differentiate from the other. My project is coming from a really fundamental science, from really basic science. So it's really extremely difficult, I would say, to build a story that is that you can sell to investors, because most of the time it's a story made of numbers and figures and experiments, and you need to find a way you need to find application where we can develop these kind of drugs, and what are the market. And so this is really, yes, this is a lot of work to build the story. Yeah, it's a nice recognition for the job we have done in the past, because with my co-founder, with the scientists, we are working for now 1 year to build this story, to build this startup. So it's a long process to maturate the project, and to also to be ready to jump in the startup. So it's an adventure. So it's a recognition for this job, and we hope it will help also to give us the energy to move forward and to push a project forward for the next years. I think it's a really good exercise, and I think it's a really good exercise, and especially if you compare it to other competition, because in France there are many competition like that. I would say what is really interesting in that competition is that you have a jury which is really the people you need to convince. In an early stage project, you need to convince the investor, and here you have the chance to pitch on a panel, in front of a panel of investors, so you get really good feedback. And if you take into account this feedback, I think it helps after that to raise money.